In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to star a spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Starring a file is a simple way to keep important documents right at your fingertips. It doesn't change who can see the file or where it's stored. It just marks it as a favorite so you can find it faster in Google Drive and within Google Sheets. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Google homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that owns or has access to the spreadsheet you want to star. Being signed in is important because starring is tied to your account, not the device you're on. Next, look to the top right of the Google homepage for the grid icon, often called the Google Apps menu. It looks like a small grid of dots. Click it to open a panel of Google services. If you don't see it right away, give the page a second to load, or zoom out slightly so the icon is visible. From that panel, click on Sheets to launch the Google Sheets home screen. This page shows your recent spreadsheets and any templates you can start from. If the one you want isn't in the recent list, you can use the search bar at the top to find it by name. Open your spreadsheet by clicking its title. Once it loads, focus on the top left area of the window, near the file name. This is where you'll find the star icon. It usually appears as an outline of a star. On smaller screens, it may be subtle until you hover your cursor near the file name. Click the star to mark the spreadsheet as starred. When it's successful, the star fills in, letting you know it worked. There's nothing else to save. Google Sheets updates this instantly. And remember, starring doesn't affect sharing or permissions. It's just a shortcut for you. To confirm it's now easy to find, open Google Drive in your browser. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a section labeled Starred. Click that, and your spreadsheet should appear in the list automatically. This section collects all your starred files across docs, sheets, slides, and more, so it's a great place to keep your most used items. If you ever change your mind, clicking the same star again in the spreadsheet will remove it from starred. That's it. You've navigated to Google, opened Google Sheets, opened your document, found the star icon, clicked it to star the file, and verified it in Google Drive. With this quick habit, your key spreadsheets will always be just a click away.